Hello everyone, this is Rawad and welcome back to XDA TV. Today we're going to be checking out 3 apps to back up your device's apps, data, and some other settings you might want to back up. One thing I must mention in this video is that the third way of backing your device up doesn't use a specific app. We'll talk about that later in the video. First things first, Backup Plus. Yes, I've mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but Backup Plus is worth mentioning in this one as well for its simplicity, yet its effectiveness in successfully saving my device several times. Backup Plus can back up your user-installed apps, system apps, SMS messages, call logs, and Wi-Fi passwords. All of these can also be uploaded to your Google Drive so that you don't lose them in case your local backup gets deleted somehow. You can also change the backup location to anywhere you like inside the phone's storage if you want to. I find Backup Plus to be the most reliable way of backing your phone up, if we don't count Titanium Backup, of course. Be sure to check out Backup Plus on our XDA forums. The second app is one that I have used to switch to my current ROM. It's called Migrate. This app is specifically designed to back up your user and system apps along with your contacts, SMS, call logs, and also your screen's DPI settings and default keyboard. Migrate backs all of the apps up and zips them into a flashable zip file that you can flash after formatting and switching to a new ROM. Migrate is completely free and gives a twist around restoring your apps because you flash a zip file that can get you ready to quickly restore every app you backed up along with their respective permissions. The link to Migrate is in the description and it gets you to the forums where you can check the app out. The third way of backing your device up is through ADB. If you have ADB installed on your computer and you made sure that it can communicate with your device properly, simply open up a command prompt and type in adb backup -apk -share -all-f backup.ab. A screen will pop up on your phone guiding you into backing up every app you have. This will back up all your apps into a file called backup.ab. In order to restore them, you simply type adb restore backup.ab and everything will be restored. So these are 3 ways to back up your device's apps and their data. Anything you liked from these methods? Let us know down in the comments below and make sure to hit that like button if you like what you saw. This was Rawad from XDA TV and I'll be seeing you soon.